This video I'm going to show my new Dell Inspiron 15501 laptop. It has got a very sleek premium look. I've bought the silver color. On one side there is the charging port, HDMI port, USB type A and USB type C. On the other side there is another USB A port, an SD card slot and a 3.5mm headphone jack. There is a rubberized material at the hinge from one end to the other, which comes in contact with the surface or the table when the laptop is open, as it raises the laptop a few millimeters for heat dissipation. What I like the most about this laptop is that it looks very clean, neat and has a very sharp design. It is also very easy to open the laptop single-handedly. With the way this laptop looks, all my desires to own an XPS or a MacBook, all that is gone. I love this design. One issue that people might find is the weight. It is 2 kgs and 470 grams, but I find it easy to lift it, and most of my work is based on the table, so it's perfect for me. The bezels around the screen are small and it is surrounded by a soft white material which looks very good. In order to see the boot up speed of the laptop, I will shut it down first. It is a Core i5 10th generation processor with 8GB RAM and 512GB solid state drive. Now the laptop is off right now. When I open the lid, it turns on automatically without pressing any button. It has a very fast boot up speed and it takes no time to be ready to use as soon as I use my fingerprint to unlock the laptop. There it is, ready to use. The speaker grill is located right in front of the screen, which is not visible from the front during normal usage. One thing I love about this laptop is the big trackpad that has been provided. It's very comfortable to use.